Hey, good morning, Soul Yackers. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the next adventure. As always, guys, thank you for the click. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little while. If you're new to the channel, thanks for dropping by. If you like what you see at the end of this, do me a favor. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. But most importantly, if you hit that subscribe button, drop me a quick comment and just say, I subscribed. Because I want to have an opportunity to thank you personally. So, I have a couple hours to work with this morning before I got to start adulting. So, thought we'd get out here, go see if we can find some Pompano. Right now, they're Pompano. We're hoping in a little while we're going to be saying, Papa, yeah! So, get ready, stay tuned, get something to drink, get your coffee, let's go. It's time, let's go fishing. Got a manatee and 2 or 3 dolphins out here that I can see already. Wow, what a beautiful morning, guys. Old Fred's here already too, check him out. He's trying to hunt up some breakfast from the fishermen. All right. You know it's bad luck if we catch a fish on the first cast, ain't it? Yeah, take a look at my spool here. See all that loose line wrapped around the bottom of the spool? That's an indicator of challenges that are going to come here in just a little bit. It becomes clear that this is going to be a morning of catching fish, but with some headaches along the way. Whoa. Yup, here we go. World's worst wind knot. So, hopefully that means we got the bad juju, the bad luck is out of the way. And now we can have us a good day. There you go. Guy next door here's got him a fish on, skiing it in on the surface, so not a pompano. Oh, it's a little blue crab. Blue crab on the pompano jig. That's awesome, dude. There we go. Fish on. It don't feel bad either, boys. Let's tighten the drag a little bit. What do we got? Taking drag is a pump. It's a pump. And he was right here, bro. He wasn't way out there. He was right here. Papa, you. He don't want to come up neither. There we go. I think he's small, but it starts the day. I was a little smarter today and brought a towel. Last time I forgot a towel, and these dudes are so slippery. Let's get a quick pick and then we'll send him back. That is one of the prettiest fish you will find. All right, let's send him back. There he goes. All right, now let's find Mama. Gonna mess with Jordan here, guys. I think he's coming, but he's not here yet. So let's just send him a quick picture. Oh, Neighbor got one on again. Oh, that's a pump. That's a keeper, bro. Check it out here, guys. I think he's got a keeper, looks like.
Maybe not.
Oh, maybe, huh? Maybe. He looked bigger in the water. No, he still might make it.
Maybe. Not
Yeah.
sure yet. Yeah, maybe.
Well, good job, brother. All right, they're here. Hey, man, your bike's super cool. Can I get it on my video real quick? Oh, I better not take it for a ride. Check out this bike, y'all. How freaking cool. Look at those ape hangers. The Haitian Harley. Check that thing out. Ah, that's awesome.
Getting ready to go home and cut off another pair of forks.
Sweet. Rake them out a bit more. Thanks, man. Have a great day.
I don't know who's going to break first.
I love it.
Bearings on this side. They just put them in.
Oh, no.
They're only $2.
Yeah, there you go.
You guys get any money?
I got one so far. Yeah. And another wind knot. Dang it. We'll be back. Got a dolphin right there too. Trying to get him in quick. Definitely feels like a pump. Yeah, it is a pump. I can see it. That's the second one. There we go. Pompano. Hey, little guy though. They like the jig. He's hooked on the teaser. There he is. Nah, hey, little homie. Take it easy, bud. Check him out. What a little beauty. We'll get Jordan another picture just to mess with him since Sleeping Beauty didn't get here yet. All right. See you, little feller. Go grow up. Ah, come on. Man, I'm having the worst luck with tangles this morning.
Channel.
Salt yak.
Salt yak?
Like saltwater kayak. See if this wind knot will pull out of here. It's my third bad wind knot this morning, and I haven't even been here for an hour. What's going on with this reel? Okay, well, that broke off. All right, check it out, guys. I want to show y'all something. I've been fishing for not even an hour this morning. I know this because you have to pay to park here, and I paid for 1 hour so far, and my phone hasn't alerted me that it's more time for parking yet. And in less than 1 hour, I've had 3 wind knots in my reel, and I want you to look. I bet that's at least 100 yards of braid going in the trash in the first hour. I hope that slows down. Let's get back to it. Oh my God, another wind knot. Dude, today is the curse of the wind knot. Come on. Maybe we can get this one out without having to cut it. Yeah, keep dreaming, dude, and just get your knife out already. Like, for real, I'm not gonna have any line left on this reel. And I just put line on it recent. I can already see the backing. I'm out of line. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm done with this. Ugh. We're gonna cut all this off. This reel's done for the day. I did bring another one, and we'll switch. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what's actually going on here. I had a tackle shop spool the line on this reel for me the other day. And I think what happened was the dude didn't keep the line tight. He allowed it on the spool loose, so it was constantly falling off the spool, and just, I mean, y'all can see the results. Be careful if you let somebody else put line on your reels, guys. Make sure they get it on there nice, tight, and straight. Okay, so the saga of the wind knot did not end at 3. I don't know what's going on. I've never had a day like this. I don't know why this reel did this, but literally that reel, let me show you something, is now out of line. You can see the backing under there. It's done. In an hour of fishing, that was like 200 yards of braid. Done, gone. Y'all ever have that happen? Drop a comment, let me know, because this is awful. Luckily, I did bring another rig. Got to get a Pompano jig tied up on it, and we'll get going. This is too slow. Time to make a move. Good luck, man. Beach and see if we can find him over here. Oh, did I lose him? Did he get off, or is he coming to me? Nah, he's coming to me. Oh, okay, all right. I ain't mad at him. It's not what we're here looking for, but it's a Spanish mackerel. And it's not a bad one. He's a keeper. I'm not going to keep him. I'm not a mackerel guy. But there he is. There he is. The Spaniard. He's a beautiful fish. All right. Now he's all dirty. Let's let him go. Get him cleaned up. So there was nothing else going on in this spot. So I went back to where I came from, and I get over there, and lo and behold, check it out. Captain Jordan, the Pompano Slayer.
Little small, I think this one's a jack. This one's a small one.
That's a little pomp, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little pomp. Seems like he's a big boy.
He wanted to be a big boy.
Yeah. Got my jig and everything.
Good job, bro. Hey, that's actually kind of cool. Yeah. I think that's going to be a keeper. It's a big old conch. That's interesting, at least. Hey, that's a new species on the Pompano jig.
Yeah.
Jordan on again. Dude has got the touch today, I'm going to tell you that. This looks like it might be a pretty decent fish, too.
Might be a nice one.
You got your camera rolling?
Yeah, I got it. It's probably foul hook.
You bringing him in sideways?
Yeah, sideways.
You all? All right, good job, dude. He on again. Look at him. Another little guy. Oh, I don't know, he ain't too bad. All right, so Yakers, that's a wrap. Been out here for a little over 2 hours, and now it's time to pull it up, get out of here, and go get to adulting for the day. But that's all right, because let me tell you something. A couple pompano and a mackerel. I'm all good with having a hard day now. Bring it on. I can handle it now. I recommend you do the same, guys. Find a way to make your day great for you right now, today. Don't wait. Don't say, oh, I'll do something next week, whatever. Get up, get off that couch, get out there and get it done now. Because at the end of it all, life is short. And if you don't go, you don't know. See ya!